Hey yo, welcome to episode 5 of Limitless. Today we'll be working with my buddy Chet to make a baby toy / gift for a newborn. We are starting this build out right with a nice chunk of live edge walnut and some 1-inch maple. The design here is simple enough. The kid's name in a thick font. The theme of this build is really, let's make sure the letters won't break. I laid it out to fit in the heartwood when pocketed, and then flip the letters over to be cut from the piece of maple. I programmed the CNC to hog out an area around the letters so that it can be glued in as one piece. I'm running a 1/4-inch end mill here to rough it out, and then coming back in to follow the contours with a finish pass. So I've been having trouble with the inside corners on any part coming off the CNC. For a lot of these videos, I was hand fitting the laser cut parts. I made sure I'm using small enough end mills to fit inside the corners. I've calibrated all the axes, so 1 inch is 25.4 millimeters, and I double checked all the options inside the CAM programming. I finally decided to act upon my main theory that the acceleration is too slow. It turns out the y-axis was still slowing down while the x-axis starts commanding the next move. Since the motors do not have positional feedback, this is all based on the movement profile. To make a long story short, I turned the acceleration up, which fixed everything. After a successful test cut, I pocketed the letters into the walnut. The tricky part with the live edge is getting it parallel to the axes. Here we are doing a test fit, and after a little alignment, it slides right in. Chet took over from here, first planing the letters down to thickness, then cutting them out and flush trimming on the router. After test fitting and getting the rest trimmed, Chet drilled pockets to inlay magnets. He did the same thing on the opposite side, so each letter really snaps into place. The final touch on this was the finish and to add a magnetic tool, which is used to pull the letters out. I think it turned out great. Stay tuned for the next episode.